February 2nd, 2020. The day it's all gonna go down, I guess. Big day. Triple two on the double two. Anyways, I wanted to just do a little catch up right now and talk about a few things that I've been reflecting upon recently. Put together a little slideshow here, and we'll do that. And at least we'll know when it ends with the 10 seconds. So, the title of this video, the effect that one's awakening has on their friends and family, right? It's one thing for these newfound informations to really profoundly affect our own personal outlook on the world, and in retrospect, consequently our actions henceforth as a result of knowing what we now know, quote unquote, right? And then, of course, we go through the process of sharing it and revealing these new ideas with our friends and family. And I'm 3 years in now, or 3.5, however you look at it. Maybe when did I start counting, right? When did I first get the notion that something rotten was happening in Amsterdam? So 3.5 years in, I will often rebuttal things to loved ones of mine and a very dear person of mine. I won't say who, but you'll figure out who it is, right? Very dear person of mine will often send me links to whatever. And now, of course, the big coronavirus scare sweeping the nation worldwide, globally. And so I had a very snappy response to a link a dear loved one sent me, to which we will start this slideshow with that. Anything else? Background music? Nah, we don't want background music. So, what did I say? Yeah, it's true. Action-packed years so far. Yeah, I definitely need some kind of therapy. So I've been reflecting on that, as you saw the date on that message was quite a while ago. I've been reflecting on that, going, what kind of therapy do I need when I'm buying cast iron double sinks on Marketplace so I can upgrade, right? The renovations are always ongoing. I want to upgrade, so let me buy a cast iron double sink because, well, on top of it, it's got a really nice faucet on it. Needless to say, the price was too good not to do it. There it is, the Kohler sink. And in the end, I didn't end up using the sink because it's just too damn big. And that, what kind of therapy do I need to demolish a kitchen that I know has that, which is why the rats have been living there quite comfortably, I might add, for the last year. At least last winter they did. All through the year, to which when I mentioned to my landlord, we got a rat problem, and it's because they're in the building and stuff, he says, no problem, I can send an exterminator. That's my man who helped me demolish step one. So that's what it looked like. And when I stumbled upon, or originally that's what it looks like, right? So you can see all that VIP living space. It's quite fun actually to do this and see the process. All of a sudden I come along a kitchen on Marketplace, cabinets that is just too good to not buy. right? I say, okay, I might as well, because I'm going to have to demolish that at some point if I want to do something about this, fix my kitchen once and for all. And so I bought a secondhand kitchen cabinet set that fit perfectly to my needs. Oh, there's the ad. Thanks, Kurt. Shout out, Kurt. You know how much that water faucet is? That faucet itself costs? Well, it was worth. Oh gosh, yeah, I don't want to even get into this one, but hey, I made that meme. That's my own meme, original material. Anyways, moving along. What kind of therapy do I need? Perhaps you can help me. You can leave a comment in the comment section below. Does a man that embarks on such an endeavor truly need? En plus, he says, fake athlete deaths. Come on, I do need therapy. You know, what kind of man takes screen captures of their screening lady, of their cleaning lady at the Airbnb? You know what I'm saying? And anyways, what kind of therapy does a man like that truly need? My man, Mr. Peter, doing what he does best, which is making the most out of a very, very, very messy situation. There you go, the cabinets being placed in one by one. And just fixing up the plumbing. It took some serious creativity and ingenuity to get that piece in, of course you can imagine. And on one end, I'm here managing, orchestrating a kitchen, trying to maintain in this crazy world, telling you that Kobe Bryant is not dead. Well, the character known as Kobe Bryant has passed. R.I.P. Black Mamba. However, I assure you, when there's many people, that's what I tell my loved ones. I say, I didn't make this shit up. Okay, what if I told you he's not dead? No. Don't go there. You know? Reminds me of another time when I was talking to another loved one of mine. Hey, it's coming along, eh? And you know, it's a while ago when I first was privy to this information. I tell him, did you hear that Michelle Obama is a man? You hear the one about Michelle Obama being a man? Michael? From across the room. I definitely did not pay $8.99. My man Peter with the plumbing. Yep, I did a couple runs that day to the Home Depot. So my loved one comes running across the room, grabs the phone. I say, no. That's too much, Ricky. That's too much. You've gone too far. That's fake news. So in a sense, I guess, a man who will even consider or go along with the idea that Michelle Obama has a pee-pee in what seems like the majority of people's eyes requires some serious therapy. Now, you should see what it looks like now. That was a couple days ago, amidst the mess and all that stuff. So what kind of therapy should I get, my good friends, my dear friends? Oh, by the way, thank you. You have all been so therapeutic in the process of dissecting all this information, you know, just making sense out of it. And again, I always bring it back to, what are you going to do about it? How are you a part of it? How am I participating in all this nonsense? Well, not participating in many cases will have your loved ones be very concerned for your mental well-being. However, people will think what they will think, and in time. Here, let's watch the maiden voyage. On its maiden voyage. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Huh? Okay. Little intermission. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know, what kind? Well, this particular individual established 1983 is the kind that gets great therapy in doing just this. And this is my therapy. I tell my moving guy, you know, you're cheaper than a therapist, right? I get to pay you much less to listen to me tell you about how Kobe Bryant is not dead, the coronavirus is a hoax, and the whole impeachment thing is all part of the phony, fake show, scripted reality. Phony, fake show. No one died, no one cried. It's okay. It's okay, you don't have to accept it, but I do believe fundamentally that the more we spread this awareness, it's just an awareness, choose to accept it or not, it's really up to you. Like I always say, I didn't make this shit up. And yes, I've spoken on a lot of things that I didn't fully understand in my earlier days, but you build discernment. You build a wealth of knowledge in different areas, different aspects of our lives that we all are a part of, you know. I don't want to go live in the jungle, but living in the concrete jungle, I can choose to do what I do or not, and know that sometimes, in many cases, opting out will make you a very unpopular guy. Is it a popularity contest? Perhaps in my youth I used to think so, but not anymore. So, on that note and that tone, I want to thank you, and keep doing what you're doing, I guess, and sharing the good word, all the good word, because positivity is the key, you know. And I still stay positive. The past is in the past, and the future is friendly if you want it to be, right? All that good stuff. And don't forget that even if these people, your loved ones, think you're crazy, deep down inside, they still love you. And it doesn't really matter if you convince them or not that what you know to be true is in fact true. It really doesn't matter. It's not your place, not my place anymore. I'm not trying to convince nobody. Just saying, well, take it easy. So, till next time, ta-ta.